My name is Guy Contelli and I am creating a sculpture that celebrates 50 years of the Isle of Wight Festival. The concept is to collect handprints of musicians who played and mosaic them onto this large panel. So far I've collected 60 handprints for the years 1968 to 70, many legendary bands, Jefferson Airplane, Jethro Tull, Airport Convention, have donated handprints to this project. I believe this is important in celebrating social history of our time, as well as the musicians who wrote the soundtrack to it. This panel will take around a year to complete, much of the time taken up with tracking down the musicians. I've been offered space backstage at the Isle of Wight Festival this year to talk to the musicians and the press and to promote the project. There are plans to build a museum dedicated to the Isle of Wight Festival, and this panel will be the centrepiece. The panel needs to stay in the public domain, so I'm hoping to fund it through printing a limited edition print. We need to raise about 20,000.